Hi Jill. I'm going to try to reenact for you what I woke up to this morning. Now it's going to be almost impossible for me to reenact this given the actor I have to use, but I'm going to try. Well, hopefully you get the general idea. He's kind of a difficult actor to work with. He always wants affection and attention and never wants to put in the work, you know. I have a lot of footage of Guapo basically sitting and looking cute. I know, I'm a puppy mom. Anyway. Now you may notice I sound maybe a little different. I don't know, maybe I don't sound any different, but it's actually the morning. This is the first time I've filmed one of these in the morning. I'm not even all the way through my coffee yet, so that was me holding up my coffee and slamming it back down. Anyways, but I was really excited to tell you about some things I've been up to. Now the reason Guapo was staring down at me trying to get me to be awake was because, you know, I've been up for a couple days and a little more than that, and I'm getting pretty used to sleeping in. Of course, adult sleeping in is like 8:30, so not that great, but, you know, Guapo's not having it, and he wants to wake up. But let me show you some of the stuff I have been up to since I've had the time. I mean, first of all, I have been making these awesome videos for you so that you can respond, so did you get a camera yet? Second of all, I am in the process of having a chalkboard painted on my wall. Okay, the process is pretty much over because the chalkboard's on the wall, but right now, as you can see, I still have like painter's tape around it, which is not cool. I'm going to actually make a frame for it. And this means finally I'm going to do something with this horrible, you know, taupey colored room that I have after 2.5 years. I also want to hang these pictures on that wall. This is as far as I've gotten. They're on the floor in the arrangement that I wish them to be on the wall. It's funny, that picture, the last picture in that group of pictures I want to go on the wall, the big one of the girl, that's actually Mom, senior year. That's her senior photo. And I just took it from the grandparents' house over the holidays. I was like, you all put this upstairs and you can't see it anymore, so now it's mine. Alright, I asked for it, but still, I pretty much took it. And I really wanted that picture because it's always fascinated me, like when I was little and I would stay home with the grandparents and it would be hanging on the wall. I was convinced that she could like see me through it. I don't know. It's those big eyes. I mean, I thought she could. I might still kind of believe it. I won't do anything remotely questionable while in that room. Only drawing and what do I do that's questionable anyway, honestly? And of course the other thing I did while we had some time off was drive up to said furniture store that I mentioned in the first video, and that is IKEA. That was my sigh to all the IKEA people out there that won't build me a freaking IKEA in my own city. So I did want to show you some footage from that. Adam, where are you going today?
I'm going to IKEA in Cincinnati. It's a bookshelf.
You really think you're still going to get a bookshelf? You're mad with power and money.
Can't take it with me.
And of course, Jilly, you know that you are getting somewhere when you see the Florence Y'all water tower. Big shiny. Table like this. Cute minty green glass table, futuristic kitchen lights. Spaceship, 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 alien. So many lamps that look like spaceships. Why? Why can't I have an IKEA? Anyways, I just wanted to let you know a little bit of what I did when I actually had some time off. I wanted to know, what did you do with your days off? I know that you were probably super busy and getting some stuff done, so I'd like to know. As soon as you get a camera. Alright, I'll talk to you later, Jill.